Welcome back to our channel, guys. This video is going to be great one. Just it's a airdrop you can earn from $20 to $2 lakh, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. Just watch the video carefully and you can earn it freely, guys. Okay, so just follow the instructions, guys. Okay, without any hesitate, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, today's topic would be Tidex. Okay, this is a new exchange is going to launch. Okay, Tidex, the new exchange is going to launch. Okay, this is a new exchange, already it's launched. For airdrop they are giving this much of amount to the people who you are referring. Okay, it's a new exchange, so just I'll share the link in the description. Just click on the link and register your account. Okay, click on the link, just register your account and complete your KYC. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Just your basic details, just you have to apply and complete your KYC. That's what the thing you need to do. I already applied KYC, so profile it's unverified. Continue, click. If I click on continue verification, so 5 out of 5 is completed. Okay, verification is progress. Okay, my verification is under progress. So once you completed your KYC, you will be getting $20 worth of coins. Okay, and you can refer your friends. How much you want, you can refer. Okay, $20 to $2 lakh referral income is available, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. Okay, so come back. This is a new exchange. Okay, see here, price prediction, everything is available here. Okay, Tidex, this is a new exchange. Okay, so come back, a option is there, airdrop new. Okay, click on that one. Okay, so white paper tokenomics is available here, and down airdrop is game. Okay, so follow simple conditions and get up to 200 Tidex 20 USDT dollar. Okay, so the copy the link, okay, and share with your friends. Okay, airdrop is very simple, guys. Okay, time period is from 25th April to 25th May. Okay, first of all, register your account, then pass your KYC. Okay, make a deposit of $20. Okay, $20 you can deposit, so you are eligible. Okay, $20 if you are depositing, then you can withdraw immediately also, that's not a problem. Then subscribe to social network. Okay, subscribe all the social networks. Okay, then you will be get 200 TDX 20 USDT worthable. Okay, so you have to refer your friends, so you can unlimited up to $2 lakh worth of TDX coins. Okay, this is a new exchange, you can earn up to how much you can, guys. Okay, additional opportunity to get tokens. Okay, each user invited by you will comply with airdrop. Okay, 70 TDX you will be getting. Okay, and fulfill the conditions with the airdrop, you will be getting 30 TDX. Okay, rules for the distribution tokens. Okay, that's the thing are given. Okay, so distributed tokens, this much of TDX is already distributed. Okay, so this coin is going to launch in Sex Launchpad, Dex Launchpad, BSC Pad, ETH Pad, Ethereum Pad, Velas Pad. Okay, so this is going to be great one. 1 TDX equal to 0.1 USDT, guys. So this coin can have a huge impact in the market, so don't miss it out. Okay, so the roadmap of the program exchange is given here. Okay, so 2022 airdrop, Sex Launchpad, Dex Launchpad, trade launch, everything is given here. Okay, about products, contacts, community, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, coin market cap, YouTube, everything is given here. Okay, I'm clicking on Twitter page. This is official Twitter page of Tidex.com. Right now 28k followers is available. Okay, it's opened in 2017, guys. Okay, so $2 lakh worth of airdrop is going on from 25th April to 25th May. Sign up and get $20. Okay, so share with your friends and earn up to $2 lakh, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. I already said $2 lakh worthable coin is given for the airdrop. So follow the Twitter page and don't miss it out. This website can give you huge impact. Okay, when Binance is launching, at that time everybody bought a lot of BNB right now. Everybody is a millionaire. Okay, that much of profit they booked, everyone. So this is also a huge exchange, so don't miss it out. Just register it and password KYC and deposit to $20. So you will be eligible for $20 token. So you can refer your friends and you can get unlimited coins, guys. Okay, up to $2 lakh worthable coins. So don't miss it out. Just join the airdrop program and make it count, and join the airdrop community and earn up to $2 lakh, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out, guys. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in another great video.